Good morning, class. Today we are going to revise chapter 9, energy. Students, in chapter 9, that is energy, we basically have discussed about what is energy. We have discussed about different forms of energy. Likewise, we have discussed about kinetic energy, about potential energy, about mechanical energy, and we have also talked about the transformation of energy and their uses also. So students, let us see. Here you can see, students, basically what is energy. So capacity of doing work is called energy. After that, students, we have discussed that there are two type of energy on the basis of position of object. Okay, one is the potential energy and the other is kinetic energy. Now let's talk what is potential energy. So the energy that is possessed by a body due to its position, state or condition, it is called as potential energy. After that, students, we have discussed that the energy that is possessed by a body due to its state or condition with respect to earth, that is called as gravitational potential energy, and gravitational potential energy is given by symbol is P and its formula is mgh. Okay, now students, this unit is basically joule. After that, we have discussed about kinetic energy, that is the capacity of body doing work due to its motion, it is called as kinetic energy. Okay, so students, there are some factors which affect kinetic energy. On the basis of we derive the relationship of kinetic energy, where we see that it is dependent upon mass and velocity. Okay, so from here we can derive that K is equal to half mv square, which is kinetic energy equation. After that, we have discussed about mechanical energy, that is the energy of an object due to its position, shape or movement. It is called as mechanical energy. Basically, students, mechanical energy is sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. After that, we have discussed other forms of energy also. Likewise, you can see here we have discussed about mechanical energy. There is chemical energy, that is the energy released by a chemical reaction. Then there are light energy, that is light is also energy. So sunlight can also be a form of energy. So basically a solar cell which produces electricity is a form of light energy. So in this manner there are different forms of energy. Then we have discussed about transformation of energy. So students, change of one form of energy into another form is called as transformation of energy. Okay, so we have studied about the transformation of kinetic energy into potential energy and potential energy into kinetic energy. We have also talked about the transformation of electrical energy. So basically, students, what you see that suppose we are taking any example, that is electrical energy is transformed into chemical energy, where so you can see here when a battery is charged, so there what is happening, the electrical energy is transforming into chemical energy. We can take some more example. Likewise, students, you can see in day-to-day life, likewise electrical energy is transformed into thermal energy, that is heat energy. So if we use electric kettle, electric heater and electric iron, so they are converting the electrical energy into thermal energy. So these are the topics which we have studied in this chapter. Then we have to also study about the efforts for wisely use of energy. So students, as you all know that energy cannot be generated, okay, so easily, it takes time. So for that, students, we have to use it wisely, that is we have to prevent the wastage of energy. So if the appliances are not in use, we should switch off them. And students, so these are the topics which we have discussed in this chapter. This is the lesson at a glance. So thank you, class.